Welcome to Portfolio Playbook. I'm Dominic Dantes, and here's what came across our desk this week. It's been an unusually strong October for Treasuries. Actually, it's the best October since 2012. Falling yields are being driven by growing expectations of Fed rate cuts, a somewhat renewed appetite for safety, and general concerns about high equity valuations. Our team is seeing something that could be durable. The stock bond correlation turned decisively negative for the first time in over a year. And to us, that signals a potential late cycle shift where bonds regain their role as a portfolio stabilizer. Our work shows long term momentum behind yields is fading, which could make the risk reward profile for duration more compelling, especially in longer dated treasuries. And here's where it gets interesting. The macro backdrop is now more supportive for Fed easing. Inflation and labor market data surprises are rolling over from high levels. To us, that suggests a softer economy, but not a collapse. That combination gives the Fed room to act on its dual mandate, supporting growth without reigniting inflation. So in commodities, we've actually been trimming some of our gold exposure over the past couple months as it becomes stretched relative to historical price averages. It's behaving now more like an equity asset class lately, losing some of its defensive edge. While other metals have actually been recovering from deeply oversold levels relative to gold. So at this stage, broadening our cyclical exposure could offer some value potential. We maintain diversified positioning across metals while keeping a modest overweight to global energy and materials, a cyclical bet, though some of those tilts have actually narrowed as the cycle matures. The takeaway here is that this isn't risk off, it's more of a recalibration. Falling yields, moderating inflation, and exceptionally loose financial conditions create an environment for selective risk taking, not prediction. We explore all of this in this week's Dante's Outlook Substack, available to premium subscribers and private clients.